How to download all Facebook photos at once. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly download all your Facebook photos at once using your iPhone or Android device without saving each photo manually. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Facebook application, and what you need to do is simply click on menu over here, and then you gotta click on this gear icon. You'll be redirected to settings and privacy, so you're gonna head over, click on see more in account center. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options like these. So you gotta click on your information and permissions. So here you gotta click on download your information, and then you're gonna click on download or transfer information, and then you're gonna select the account for which you wish to download or transfer information. So I have selected my Facebook account, and then you're going to select how much information do you want. You can either download all of the information available, but that would require a large space, or you can simply download specific types of information. And after that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this that would ask what information do you want for this profile. So you're going to select what things you wish to save. For example, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this, and here location. So you can select whatever you wish to download, and then you can head over, click on next. And after that, you're going to select what do you want to do with your information, whether you want to download to device or you want to transfer it. And then you're going to select your date range over here. So you can select for which year you want, or for how many weeks, months, or years you want to save it. Click on save, and then click on create files. And after that, it's going to take a while to create files that you'll be able to download. So here you can simply click on this, and you can see that this is in progress, and once it's completed, you'll be able to see a download option appear. So that was how you can download all Facebook photos at once. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.